In this video, we will discuss torque unit settings on a DS5 touchscreen. Begin by opening the Settings menu. Select Equipment Settings. Then Delivery System. Under General, select Handpieces. Here you can choose between Newton centimeter or gram centimeter for your torque units. Settings are automatically saved. Press the Home button to exit the menu and return to the home screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.